Steve Biko athi, the most potent weapon in the hands of the oppressor is the mind of the oppressed. Yangithola? Joseph Stalin uya-add riding by making a practical example. Yangithola? So he calls a meeting. Yangithola? So in this meeting, ubiza ama-government officials. Yabo? Then he pulls out a chicken. Yangithola? Then the chicken le uqala ukuyicutha. Yabo? He plucks it out. Yangithola? Plucks out ama-feathers. Yangithola? So the chicken level obvious screamer, iyableeda, yenza yonke riding. Yabo? Then uJoseph Stalin uyayiyekela le chicken le. Yangithola? Still in pain. Yangithola? Then ungena in a pocket, then udonsa imaize, ummbila, chicken feed. Yangithola? Then uthela phansi the chicken feed le. Then the same chicken still screaming in pain. Yangithola? Iyeza izodla lokudla lokhu. Yangithola? Then uJoseph Stalin move around the office. Then the same chicken le aqeda kuyiplaga yamlandela. Yangithola? Then athi uJoseph Stalin, this is us, we are this chicken. Yangithola? Like thina, we are willing to do whatever it takes as long as umuntu asifeeda. Yangithola? Then uSteve Biko uyayiqhubeka la iding. Yangithola? Athi, you can beat me, you can jail me, you can do whatever you want to do with me, but you can never make me be what you want me to be. Yangithola?